So now let's see how we can work around with frame inside of Corel Draw. So to go ahead and add a frame effect, you need to go around over here onto the effects menu right here, and then go around over here onto, let's say, creative right here. So once you go ahead right here, you can see that frame is an option, and as you go ahead and apply it, you can see that a frame is applied on the edges right here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and select out different frames that there are right here, just like this. You can go ahead and click on more right here, and there are different frames that you can actually go ahead and use. So if I were to hold Control and scroll in, you can see that I got different frame designs right here for the frames from Corel content. So if I were to go ahead and select this one, double click it, then it'll load out that frame right here. So now you can change around the horizontal level of the frame right here, just like this, and change around the size right here, just like this as well. And even go ahead and you can change around the rotation of this as well. And this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the color of this as well. Let's say, for example, you can see that I made some changes onto the frame right here. And then you can see that it is actually going around and changing. You can also go ahead and change the color of the frame right here, and then the color will be applied accordingly. So you can see that this is what you have. So I got the color. So let's just go ahead and blend out the flame as well. And you can see that as I go ahead, you can see that I can blur this out, feather this out right here, change around the opacity of the frame as well, and even go ahead and, let's say, for example, blend it out. You can add or multiply it out right here, and you can also go ahead right here and, let's say, flip out the frame as well. You can also go ahead and, let's say, for example, choose the center area right here by utilizing the align feature right here. You can also go ahead and recenter so that it simply goes ahead and then realigns it out. You can also go ahead and utilize the default frame right here, or utilize the last used as well, just like this. And that is what you can do. So let me just go ahead and change around the frame color, let's say, for example, right here, and then change around the opacity a bit. And then I can press the plus button to go ahead and add in a preset right here as well. So let's say, for example, custom right here, just like this. And then the preset will actually be saved just like this. So that is how you can work around with frame effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.